Hi everyone, welcome to this video 9 of the Creator series where we show how we create AI manga using mangagen.io. So today in this video we'll be talking about the importance of object consistency. So regarding object consistency, throughout anime history there are many memorable objects and which have taken a place of their own. Say if I talk about One Piece, Mihawk's uh, like the black sword that he carries, that is one of the object which has its importance. Whitebeard's spear, like that spear which Whitebeard used to carry, and so and so. So currently in any AI tool which I have worked with, there is no provision for object consistency. Few of the AI tools and very few of them are working towards character consistency, but what about object consistency? If I try to make a fanfic of One Piece and I try to depict Mihawk and his black sword changes across multiple panels, then that would be devastating because that object also holds a prime importance. So in mangagen.io, we'll see how do we correct that. And for that, we apply a simple fix that we treat the object as also a character. Just as simple as that. So I'll just give a brief example for this. Say, as we start from panel 10, these are books known as grimoires. So, Grimoire of Leo and Grimoire of Felix. These two are the two books of the protagonist and his rival. The left one is regarding to a fire type of grimoire. The other one is with regards to a water type. And this is the first image which we can see. As we go down the panels, again we see that the images are consistent. Yeah, the images do remain consistent. And then in the subsequent panels, another example of object consistency is the relic seed. So as we see, these three relic seeds are there: relic seed of fire, of uh, relic seed of, you could say, nature, greenery, and relic seed of water. So if we make these objects also consistent, like a relic of Felix, Igni, and relic of Seed, then we can see then these objects also remain consistent across panels. Otherwise, there are changes with regards to these objects. And I can also show you how I created these. So Grimoire of Felix, if I open that up. So this is the character description for this. We have to mention that it's a non-living book slash grimoire, and we can create the character and generate the image. Grimoire of Leo is this. We have created a character for it. Then for the relic seeds, relic of Felix, the so relic is essentially in the context of Neomon. This work as a counterpart of the Pokeball. It's a card that stores the Neomon within it. So relic of Felix is actually a water type relic. This is this. Then relic of Igni is a fire type card. Relic of Seed. This is a grass type card. And so we have created these objects also as character and we use this fix. Uh, I'll also show another different example in a black and white setting. So the chapter which I'll be using, the story which I'll be using is called Komiwai. Full form is Center of My World is You. So it's a simple rom-com in a typical black and white modern shonen art style. So here the story is about an aspiring young artist who is in a college and his crush. So the artist is known as Yuto Takahashi and his crush is Akari Miyamoto. And in this panel, just a second, Akari here asks Yuto for for any art which he has worked upon, which Like, and she's very much interested in seeing that. So Yuto shows her this art of Mount Fuji, which he created. So we have called this art as Yuto's art. So in this panel, as Yuto passes this to Akari, she's amazed to see that. And we can see that the image remains consistent. Again, in this panel, the image remains consistent throughout, even of the art, not just the character. And for people who have worked on AI and have tried to create their own comics, this problem is very persistent problem where it is difficult to maintain object consistency. It is already very difficult to maintain your character consistency, and on top of that, maintaining your object consistency is even more difficult. So this simple fix of creating your object as a character and then working on the panels and chapter in mangagen.io readily solves that. And I'll just click open Yuto's art. So this is how I created this piece of art. I like height, age, danger. These things are not applicable. Just mention that it's a beautiful scenery of a mountain with a sunrise. And the rest, the art was created, and I have used this object as a character itself. So yeah, I think this was all about the concept of using objects as a character to fix and maintain consistency across panels and across multiple chapters. So I do hope that you have liked this video, and please do like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.